So this has been washing out. I think it's washing out because of water running down this hill more than running over the culvert. I've never caught it running over the culvert. So we're gonna push this gravel, or gravel with ash in it. Ash and fines, and that should lock up the gravel. So we're gonna pull this gravel down through here, all the way up down both hills. And then I'm gonna get the fire trailer and wet it down. And we'll take our pickup truck and run back and forth over it many times to pack it down. Sometimes you'll see me with my bucket slightly up. I'm using the back corner of the box to drag material along the way. Other times you'll see me with the bucket going down, with just the tip hitting the ground, and we call this burning. Where basically I'm putting the weight of the tractor on that very tip and smashing this gravel into the ground.
The man can run a tractor now. He's been doing it since he was about 12 years old with his granddaddy Stroud Seelbach. Taught him how to drive tractors and gave him his love of tractors.
In the video, I couldn't show what I did to prevent the water from running down the hills. On one side, I left a berm. On the other side, I cut a trough, just a 4-inch trough across the grade. So when water would hit that coming off the hill, it would be diverted. We call that a turnout.
So he got all the dirt and rocks mixture put down. And now we're wetting it and driving the truck over it back and forth to pack it. Actually looks really nice. We're using the Triple T Fire and Rescue water tank. That's what you got to do when you're far away from water. We have a creek there, but there's no pump, so.
Someday we'll have a trash pump.
Looking good, Daddy.
Lord, thank you for this food. Thank you for bringing our daughters in and little Noah. Let us have a great day. Keep everybody safe. Amen.
Amen.